See this continue lecture of the sepia. We have seen this lecture the external morphological characters and their behavior of the sepia. Now it is this sepia having a main organs. There are 4 organs, that is tentacles, that is you can say the mantle, then arms. These arms, they are attached with their mantle cavity and the tentacles. Eyes, they having eyes and the fins. Okay, so these fins also they are useful for the swimming purpose. So externally you can observe this eyes, they having a eyes and this eyes is important for the observation of their food cavity. So these eyes of the cuttlefish have a modified horizontal slit pupil with a distinctive W shape in bright light, while in darkness and the pupil is circular. म्हणजे त्याची जी प्युपिल आहे ते सर्क्युलर असते आणि त्याच्यामध्ये त्या कटलफिशमध्ये जो आईज आहे, जो डोळा आहे, त्या डोळ्याला हॉरिझॉन्टली प्युपिल तिथं प्रेझेंट्स आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. सो दॅट complete the digestive system and the digestive tract, digestive glands, specialized feeding structures of their stomach, and the circulatory system, that is heart, is having a 2 chamber and it is closed in cephalopods. The coelom restricted to pericardium. In most cases advanced the nervous system and the brain sensory organ, eyes, the simple and camera, the sensory having the this digestive tract of the animals. So you can see there is a various type of this sepia and this sepia is one of the peculiar characters when we are going to study. It is one of the shark eyes, and it was found that most sharks have excellent vision and have both rods and cones in their eyes like us, and the shark also have ability to see well in the dark because of a layer of mirror crystals. So you can see this different color and beautiful color of the sepia, and they are found mostly in the bottom level, but at the time of the winter and autumn seasons this animal come on the bottom of the surface level, and so that the fishermen is catch by with their hooks and the line. So when you see this reproduction of this sepia, the sepia is a Latimanus mate in shallow water between January and May, that is a breeding purpose, and the species mate head to head. You can see this observation is here. So this animal, you can see this head to head they are mating behavior with the male and female, and the place spermatophores on the female buccal members or buccal membrane near her mouth. The eggs harden after they are laid, and their eggs hatch in 38 to 40 days. During the breeding season, the males establish a territory and it is defending a coral head where the females lay eggs after the mating. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस याचं हेड टू हेड मेटिंग होते त्यावेळेस जवळपास 3 ते 40 दिवसामध्ये ते एग्ज रिलीज करतात आणि नंतर फिमेलच्या बकल मेम्ब्रेनमध्ये ते बकल मेम्ब्रेनच्या माउथमध्ये काय करतात ते रिलीज करतात. त्याच्यानंतर मेल हे टेरिटरी किंवा ते एखाद्या कोरलसारखे हेड असते, टफ हेड असते. द फिमेल ले एग्स आफ्टर द मेटिंग. त्याच्यानंतर फिमेल काय करतात, ले एग्स करतात. आता याची जर आपण लाईफ सायकल बघितली तर लाईफ सायकलमध्ये आपण जर बघितलं तर खूप महत्त्वाची लाईफ सायकल आहे सेपियाची. दी lay eggs in water until hatch, which become outside small animal like parent but small in size. After that became a adult stage. And the lifespan period of this cuttlefish is typically around 1 to 2 years, and it is depending on the species. They hatch from eggs fully developed around 6 mm, that is 1/4 in the long, reaching 25 mm, and that is 1 inch. And it around the first 2 months before death, the cuttlefish go through the senescence when the cephalopod essential deteriorates or rots in the place. So this life cycle of the cuttlefish is relatively short life, between 18 to 24 months, and they are intermittent terminal spawners, whereby the individuals lay eggs in separate the batches. म्हणजे तुम्ही जर बघितलं तर सेपरेट बॅचमध्ये तो काय करतो, फिमेल्स तिथं एक हॅच आउट करत असतो. Cuttlefish are capable of laying hundreds of eggs in a one spawning period or the one breeding period, and the females will keep laying eggs until they die. The female lays each egg individually on a hard or sessile structure. In this case, you will find the eggs on the grassy habitat in the exhibit.